Hi there, my name is Yuva from the product team here at Attended. Thanks for signing up. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can get started with your Attended account. If you don't have an account with us already, you can head to our official website, attenditai.com. And if you have one, you can simply click on the sign-in screen here. I'm quickly going to log into my account. The moment you log in or sign up, you will end up on this Sheets page here. And a little bit of background. So what is a sheet? So sheet is your program, your course, your class that you offer, or you want to track attendance for. I already have a bunch of attendance sheets here, but I'm going to go ahead and create one to show you. So let's just say I'm going to go ahead and start tracking attendance for this program that I offer. I'm just going to call it program 2. And there are other options while you're creating a sheet. So for example, if I would like to track attendance throughout the week, I can simply mark the days here. So the roster is set. For the local timing, I'm just going to choose 9. So I should be able to show you how to check in and check out. And if you're also interested in tracking checkout as well, you can just simply toggle it here. And you can also go ahead and just give it a color. In this case, I'm just going to choose pink. Why not? I'll go ahead and create a sheet. And once you create a sheet, you'll be able to see the sheet's details page, what we call it. So the next step over here would be you uploading an Excel file or a CSV file that contains all the details of your attendees that you want to track attendance for, such as the names, email address, emergency contact information, or could be anything else. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply go ahead and download this template and drag and drop it here. But if you have your own Excel file that contains the details of your real attendees, please do that. Once I upload the Excel file, I should be able to see all the columns that I can approve before I upload. One important thing, that after uploading an Excel file, there's going to be one primary key that will be used to deal with duplicates, so you don't end up creating multiple profiles for your attendees. In my case, I've selected email address. Feel free to select something else. I'll just go ahead and import all my attendee profiles. Once I do that, you should be able to see that I ended up creating the attendee profiles for my program 2 course. So that's pretty much it. I've done creating my sheet, which is my program, and I uploaded a bunch of attendees that I want to track attendance for. Now comes the real question: how does someone even check in? So I can divide tracking check-ins with an attended into 2 categories. One is going to be the administrator, such as you, the user, who's going to check in or check out the attendee at a program. Or you can delegate that entire check-in process to your attendees. Let's take a look at them one by one. So for example, let's say if I'm at a front desk and Jennifer shows up, I can simply go ahead and search for the name on that course, check them in. That is it. If I want to check them out, I click here again. If I have better things to do at my work, what I can do is I can share this public QR code or the check-in link with my attendees, and they can scan this QR code on their own devices. So let's open up this QR code and imagine Linda is trying to check in. So Linda types in her name, it auto suggests their profile, and that's how they go ahead and perform check-in. And same thing goes for the checkout as well. You as an administrator would always have access to the real data in real time. So I can click on the Linda's account here or profile and take a look at the data, at what time they checked in, what time they checked out, and how was the check-in performed. For whatever reason, I can also go ahead and edit their check-in and check-out date and time. Once that's done, we can also talk a little bit more about the restrictions, alerts, surveys, and other bunch of features that we offer here at Attended. But I'll discuss that more in the second video. But yeah, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot an email at info@attenditai.com, or you can also reach out to us using the chat that's given here on the website. Thank you.